Okay, so this is 7.4 part 3. We're going to finish up with our proportionality, our transversal theorem, so our transversal proportionality theorem. So if you remember from part 2, if you were taking a look at that, we want to take our, in this case, we're looking for CE. So CE, so we get x over 12 equals R6, because we're looking for the x, so the 6 is in that spot, over the total of 6 plus 4, which gets you 10. Cross multiply, so we get 10x equals 72, divide by 10, we get x equals 7.2. Okay, so for us, if we're looking for CE equals 7.2. All right, our last theorem is our angle bisector theorem, and this is something that hopefully we all know from before. Okay, so I'm going to label our sides A, B, C, and D. That's just what I picked. Okay, remember your angle bisector theorem is if we have an angle bisector here, this VS is going to cut our angles into two equal pieces. Okay, so that angle bisector theorem, VS will bisect our large angle V into two separate pieces, two separate angles. So RVS and TVS. Okay, so now if it wants us to find ST, and it's given that RVS is going to grow into SVT, well now we're trying to find X right here. Well, if we have angle bisectors, this is pretty easy. We take our 8 over 4, okay, from our one set, equals our 10 over X in the same exact spot on the other angle. Cross multiply, so we get 40 equals 8X, divide by 8, so we get X equal 5. Okay, so really that's ST equals 5. All right, and then our last example. So if we have an angle bisector, that means that RVS is congruent to SVT. Right, so then if we're setting up our proportions, we have 9 and 10, or 9 over 10 equals 15 all over 2x plus 3. Okay, if you notice it's not all over the whole, but we can do that because they're angle bisectors. That's our angle bisector theorem. Okay, so now we have our 15 times 10, okay, which gets us our 150. Then we have 9 times our 2x plus 3. So we get 18x plus 27 equals 150. So then 18x equals 123. So then we do get a decimal, about 6.83 when you divide 123 divided by 18. Okay. All right, that's going to be the notes of what we're going to do today. I will post my hard copy of the notes if you just want to go back and follow the notes instead. That is perfectly fine. If you need to slow down these videos at any time or pause them so you can make sense of where some of these numbers came from, do that as well. Homework for tonight after you have finished the notes is just the 7.4 worksheet that I will also attach to the Canvas page. All right, enjoy your remote learning day and then your day off on the 10th.